Hey guys, welcome back. So I have got my December Ipsy and Boxycharm here for you today. So Ipsy did send this to me as PR, so thank you so much to Ipsy for sending this my way. But I like to go ahead and open these boxes up and the bag and try out most everything inside so that I can kind of give you some little initial thoughts and little mini reviews, first impressions type of situation on these products. So yeah, just gonna do a little unboxing and first impressions video for you guys today. So if you're new here, my name is Leslie. Welcome. I love to do unboxings, favorites, reviews, empties, get ready with me's. Just a lot of fun stuff here on my channel. So if you're new, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and stuck around for a while. I'd love to have you here on my channel. So yeah, we are looking at Ipsy and Boxycharm for December, so let's get to it. I love this bag. This is beautiful. It is so happy and fun. The backside looks like this, but just so sparkly, and I love the little zipper pull. So adorable. Okay, so I got a brush. This is from, I was gonna say this is from Angled Shader. Nope, that's what it is. This is from, oh, Shayna B. I've liked the stuff that I've tried from their line, like a blush and a eyeshadow or whatever. I don't know if I've tried a brush from them, but this is really pretty. I like the look of it. I use just I used this with a little bit of shadow on the outer corner. I don't use angled shadow brushes very much, but this one does seem like a nice one. Like, it's soft, it seems like good quality, it did blend well, but the shape of an angled brush I just don't tend to reach for all that often, but that does seem like a good one. Okay, I got some skincare things in here. I got, let's see, this is an oil. This is from Nina, and it says face oil. Hydrate and smooth. Let's see. Rich in vitamin E with something. Bakuchiol, maybe? It's very tiny writing. But I tried this last night, kind of this area of my face. My face is definitely, I'm combo, I'm more oily in my T-zone, and I wouldn't say dry on my cheeks, but kind of more normal, occasionally a little bit dry, but mostly normal on my cheeks. So I tried it more in that area, and it seems nice. It has kind of like an herbal sort of a scent to it. This is what it looks like, little dropper. It's kind of a, you know, thinner consistency oil, and it seems nice. I liked that overall for a first impression. Then I got the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. This works really well. It has very micro-fine exfoliators in it, so it's not that chunky sort of exfoliator. It's very fine and gritty. So I used it kind of this area of my face just to test it out, and it worked well. I don't know how to describe this scent. It's like sort of, I don't want to say, it's not like peppermint, but kind of something in that, something like that. But yeah, it exfoliated really well. So if you're looking for a physical what? I think if you were looking for a physical exfoliator, I think you would like this one. It seems to work really well. Then I also got a lip therapy treatment. This is from Goldfaden MD, and this is their Solution Lip Therapy Restoring Lip Treatment. So I used this last night, and this seems to work really nicely. It's a thicker mask feeling sort of a formula, and like minty. Yeah, like a pepperminty sort of a scent to it, but nice and thick and hydrating. I always use something overnight, and I could definitely tell that it felt like nice and hydrating. So I do really like this. And then last thing I got in my Ipsy Glambag, I was so excited to see this. Y'all know I love color cosmetics. I mean, I love skincare too, but I'm very, well, I was gonna say I'm very picky about skincare, but I mean, I like skincare too, but I love color cosmetics. I get really excited for those products. And I love What's Up Beauty. I just recently got their Dragon Eye palette that they sent to me, and it is beautiful. So excited to see this. This is Plamour Eyeshadow Duo. Look how gorgeous this is. I do have this on my eyes right now, paired with something else, but this is the main color you're seeing on my lid, that kind of duochrome look. Their duochromes and multichromes are gorgeous. So beautiful and light catching, and then their mattes are nice and blendable. Very pretty, and I love this color of this matte. It's like a rosy sort of a tint. So there is what the shadow looks like lightly applied, but then when you really build it up, you can get a lot more of that duochrome look, that light catching property. So pretty. So I really like that. I like that you kind of have options with it and versatility, that you can kind of apply it more lightly or really build it up. It's beautiful. Really pretty, kind of, I would say like rosy burgundy purple. It's beautiful. So excited about that. I would say that's my favorite product in here. And then probably the lip treatment next. Okay, now for my Boxycharm by Ipsy. So this is what this looks like. So I got a couple of like little fun, different sort of things in here. This looks like it's for, it says recycled water bottles. So I guess it's like a water bottle holder. So that's kind of fun. So that was in there. This, I did not use this, but I think it's just like a, oh, it's socks. I thought it was a hair thing, like tie your hair back. Oh, I love fuzzy socks. Oh, this is exciting. Okay, yeah. Ooh, and they're super soft. That's fun. That's exciting. I love a soft fuzzy sock, and that seems very nice. Okay, I got a skincare thing in here. This is from J.Lo Beauty. It's very reflective packaging, but that's what it looks like. This is the That Fresh Take Eye Cream, and I tried this last night. This is what the packaging looks like. I like the texture of this. This seems like a pretty versatile eye cream because it's not overly thick and heavy feeling. It's almost like in between. This is what it looks like there. It's almost like an in between gel and cream, but it feels nice and hydrating. So I think, you know, depending on your skin type and kind of how your under eyes are, I think you maybe could wear this nighttime or daytime. I'll probably just use it nighttime, but I like that kind of in between sort of, you know, formula on it. And it's got like a silky sort of a texture, so it feels nice and hydrating and just not thick and heavy and, you know, like, I don't know, like a super emollient eye cream. It's a little bit more kind of like a gel. And this is really pretty packaging. I got a mascara. I'm very picky about mascaras. I do have this on my eyes right now, and I like it better than I was expecting to because, like I said, I'm super picky about mascaras, and I feel like I'm usually just kind of like thinking they're okay. That's usually my reaction to most mascaras that I try. I feel like mascaras are just so personal preference, what your eyelashes are like, what kind of look you like. So I feel like they're just very specific to the person, like what you're looking for in a mascara. So this is the Cali Ray Come Hell or High Water Clean Mascara. It says zero smudge, volumizing and curling. Let's see. And then it has like a before and after picture. And it says that it is zero smudge and life proof. And then it says it's a next gen tubular tech that stays on till you slip it off. It says easy roll off removal. So we'll see how that goes. But pretty packaging on it. I think that's pretty, like the outside box and then the packaging itself. But I do feel like this gave pretty good length and volume. So that's what I like about it. One thing I did notice is kind of after it dried and then I went back to try to add a little bit more, it wasn't building on itself well once it had dried. Before it dried, it was building on itself really nicely. So that's something, I mean, that's not a game changer for me personally, but that's just something that I found with the formula. But yeah, overall, I think it did a pretty good job. It's not my favorite mascara I've ever tried, but I do like it better than I was expecting to. Okay, and then I also got some eyeliners. I love Persona. I think they make great makeup. So this is an eyeliner 24-hour waterproof little duo, and there is brown and plum in here. So I'm wearing plum right now. Let me give you some swatches. So this is plum. So the outside packaging looks the same, which is fine. I would maybe love if like it was a little, I guess the ends you can tell the difference. So that's how you can know the difference between the two. So I just need to be more observant because the difference is there. And then here is brown, which is a beautiful, rich, dark chocolate brown shade. Gorgeous. And then plum is a little bit more of like a subtle, not super purpley plum. It's a very wearable kind of brownie sort of a plum. Great formula, nice gel formula that glides on and doesn't drag on the eyes. I have tried their liners before and really like them. They're nice and long wearing. That's like my favorite combo in an eyeliner, a pencil eyeliner, where it's a gel that applies smoothly and doesn't drag on your eyes, but then wears really well. And I definitely think that these are that kind of a formula. Okay, then I got a setting spray. This is from TYS Beauty, and this is the Final Treat Hyaluronic Acid Infused Setting Spray. So I did try this after I finished my makeup, and I kind of covered up my eyes to spray my face. And overall, I like this. It did give my skin quite a bit of glow, and I'm, like I said, more kind of combo, and I get definitely oily in my T-zone. So I could see that I was looking oily in my T-zone, and already I feel like I'm seeing kind of breakthrough shine, and I already kind of reset my face after spraying it with this. So I would say if you like the glowy look on your skin, if you have more dry skin, I think you would love this. This is a little bit glowy for me personally with my skin type, but I really like the formula for what it is. It also has a really nice sprayer on it. This is something I really liked about it too. Like it's got a really nice mist. Like it doesn't do those spray, that intense spray. It's a nice fine mist to it. So it says a treat for the skin that weightlessly sets makeup all day and visibly minimizes the appearance of pores, resulting in a refreshed and hydrated finish. I think that's definitely true. Like refreshed and hydrated, especially. I think it definitely gives that look on the skin. And hyaluronic acid, you know, really kind of helps the skin look plump and hydrated, so it makes sense. Let's see. It helps to lock in makeup, blurring fine lines. Yeah, refreshed, long-lasting, and ooh, it says mattifying finish. I don't think I found that. I think I found more, well, on my cheeks, I would say a satin finish is what I noticed initially, but then I was seeing the breakthrough shine on my forehead, which is not unusual. I usually get breakthrough shine on my forehead, but I feel like it happened a little bit more quickly with this. So I'd say, yeah, if you have more normal to dry skin, if you like that glowy look, I think you would really like this. And then last thing I got in here, probably one of my favorite things in here, is I got an eyeshadow palette. This is from r.e.m. Beauty, and this is the Midnight Shadows eyeshadow palette. Here is what the outside box looks like. Here is the palette that I've already gotten dirty with makeup. Here's what it looks like. That's fun. It's like a very futuristic or something, like a spaceship sort of a shape to the packaging. So that's really fun. And here's what this looks like. Beautiful palette. I think this would be a really fun fall palette. I mean, it's beautiful for every day, but I think especially like that color and that, you could do a really nice fall look with it. And I like this. The formula seems nice on these. They were blendable, pigmented. Ooh, this copper shade is really fun. I was kind of torn what to do with my eye look because it's like, well, how do I incorporate like I mean, I could have gone all out with like a red, copper, purple, but I wanted to go a little, this is not subtle, a little bit more subtle-ish, so that's what I did. And then I used the black from this palette kind of just barely on my lash line. So here are swatches on this. Beautiful. Look at that copper. And I have a little bit of that one on my eyes too. That's like my main blending shade, and then I blended in the other matte from the Ipsy bag. So yeah, it's a beautiful palette. I really like this. Okay, so that's everything I got in my Boxycharm by Ipsy. I would say the palette is my favorite thing, then probably the eyeliner, and then I think maybe the eye cream. I really like that a lot. So those are probably my standout favorite products. So hope you guys really enjoyed this video and hope it was helpful for you, kind of hearing some little first impressions on these products. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it and if it was helpful for you. Let me know down below if you get Ipsy, what you're excited to get, what you did get. Let me know all those things down below. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!